welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today, and thanks so much for subscribing. So today I wanted to share with you this super cute little spool die that is from My Crafting World and what I created with it. So when you get these, okay, you get two of these spool, these are what you're going to wrap around, and you're going to create your spools with these, okay? Your spool is actually going to come out short like this one, okay? And I can go ahead and unwrap this for you so you can see. It's basically circular, okay? And that is what you're going to wrap your ribbon or whatever you want to give your crafting buddy, or for your own storage. So if you wanted to make a ton of these, you can do that and store all of your ribbons and things on here. So what a great idea, right, for storage. I think this is so neat, and also great for swaps. So if you're doing a swap, you can make one of these and give this away to your swap partner. So I just think this is such a great idea. So what I wanted to share with you is I wanted to make a long one, and although the short ones are super cute, right, I really thought this one would be really cute to make. Now on top of this one, I did a shaker, okay, and I just thought that I just wanted to have fun, and I thought it was a cool idea, so I wanted to see if I could do it. And I did. So mine is a long one, and basically what I did is I cut out 4 of these thick pieces right here, and then we glued them together, and then put them on top of the spool backing, okay? And so I'm going to share how to make this with you, and I think it's going to be super fun. So I hope you get to try it. I just thought that way you have 2 ways you can make little spools, and you can make a large one or you can make a small one. So I'm going to go ahead and share that with you now. Stay tuned. The video is up next. Alrighty, so I wanted to share with you guys how I made this piece really tall. And so in order to do that, you're going to cut out 4 of the large pieces of this spool, okay? And then you're going to go ahead and score. We're going to go ahead and score one, and I'm going to share with you how to do that. So you're going to go ahead and get out your scoreboard, and you're going to go ahead and score on this second indentation piece. So right here, 1, 2, right here is where you're going to score, okay? So we're going to put that in where our 6 will line up, and you're just going to score right there, okay? Then you're going to go ahead and score on the other sides here. I like my score lines a little bit more in, where I can see them. And this does this does score it, but it's not really pronounced. So I like mine a little bit more pronounced. So I just stick mine in my scoreboard, and I'm just scoring it myself. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and do that with the other piece here. So again, you're going to stick this in here. I put a black line on my 6 on my scoreboard, so I know where to line that up. But you can, if you don't have that, you can just line it up with the 6 and do that, and then just score it like you normally would. Okay, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm scoring this down just like that. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and score this too. And that's good. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, so after we do that, what I did is I went ahead and grabbed my scissors, and you can go ahead and you're just going to make notches and make a little flap like this up here. So to do that, you're just going to go ahead and come in and notch that out, okay, right at where your little score lines meet. Okay, just like that. And you're going to do these on all 4 pieces. Right, then once you get them, then you're going to go ahead and once you get these cut, you're going to go ahead and just fold these over. Okay, make sure all your teeth are folded over. Okay, the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and we're going to glue these together. And how I did mine is I went ahead and just put glue right on top of the teeth. Okay, and so to do that, you're just going to put glue on top of your teeth. And I just did one, like, put glue on each little tooth there. Grab your other piece and you're going to place those together just like that. Okay, just like that. Okay, and you're going to do the other ones. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through this part. Next, after you do this, we're going to go ahead and roll these inward. So you're just going to go ahead and roll them so they're kind of, rounded in the middle part of your paper here. Okay, definitely going to do that. And then you're going to do the last part just like you did the other ones. Just go ahead and clasp those together. Make sure that everything's burnished in. Okay, just like that. Okay, so now you've got 4 sides together, and you're just going to go ahead and on these sides, these flaps are a little longer, so you can glue all of these together. Okay, and I'm just going to put glue down, put this then down here, and you can just glue these down like that. Now I just keep rounding it, but you can, do it however you want. I just keep kind of rounding it over. And then these will come in, okay, like this. And we are actually going to stick a piece of paper on the bottom of this one and this one. But I'm just gluing this down, and then I'm just going to flatten it out, make sure it's stuck on there, just like so. And then I'm just going to cut around it. just like that. Okay, same thing here. And I'm going to put glue on there, make sure it's stuck down. All right, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and grab 2 pieces and you're going to glue these together. Now you don't have to cut 4 pieces and glue them together. I just think it gives it a more finished look when you have 2 of the pieces together, and it just that way you could see the design on both the bottom and when it's facing upward. So like so. So, oh, like that. So I just think it looks really, really pretty. So we're going to go ahead and put these around here. Just like this. And then you can go ahead and you can place your glue on, and you can place your little spool piece down. Just like that. And so there is your spool. Now there is a long spool. I tried it with 2 pieces and it didn't really look good. 3 pieces was a little bit hard to maneuver, but 4 pieces I think looked a little bit better and gave you a sturdier spool. And so I really liked how that looks. And so, yeah, so anyway, so there is a spool there. So this is one idea for you. Here is another idea. And this is one that I made a shaker on top of the spool. So when they set it down, they can have the shaker part on top. Here is another one where it has the little beads on top, and it is the small spool. And I just think that looks adorable. How fun are these, right? And so, yeah, so these are the 3 spools that I put together for my project using this beautiful spool die from my crafting world. And so head on over to the shop. I will put all the links down below for you, and so you can check out this spool die. And don't forget to use my code Debbie10 to save yourself some money. So you guys take care, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. Thanks again for joining me, y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And don't forget to go over to My Crafting World Designs to visit Anna's store. Thank you all so much for joining me. Take care and have a great day.